Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. There are two brand new sticker books from Live Love Posh. Let's check them out. You heard me right. There are two brand new sticker books releasing from Live Love Posh. We're talking winter themes and Christmas themes, and I am pumped. So these sticker books will go on sale on October 28th, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Set your alarms because I have a feeling Live Love Posh books tend to sell out the first time around. So if you want these stickers ready to go for your holiday season, you're going to want to set an alarm and check out my link down below. I also have a code. You can use code SCRAPPY10 to save 10% on your order. Every little bit helps for sure. All right, these are big books. This one is Hello Winter. It is extra big. This one is going to be priced at $38 because it's basically a double sticker book. And then this one is extra thick as well. We have Chic Christmas, and it's going to be good. So let's take a minute. Let's flip through these books, check them out. All right, here we go. I'm actually going to start with Chic Christmas. So cute. Oh my goodness. All right, here we have white sticker paper. Love the colors. I love a pop of pink in my Christmas. I think that's so fun. You get two sheets, which is great. I love the two sheets of the matching because then I don't have to hoard stickers. So that makes me super happy. These are going to be super decorative. We'll see if there's some functional at the back. I think this is going to be mostly decorative. Let's give it a try. Dear Santa. Oh, that's so fun. This one feels like a memory keeping page. Like, what if you did decorate your kiddos' letters from to Santa? How fun is that? Dear Santa, just leave your credit card under the tree. Dear Santa, Live Love Posh stickers, Wash and Lux washi cutter, planner bag, sticky notes. That is totally my list. Look at the pink typewriter. I regret nothing. Those are hilarious. This is like sassy Santa. Nice until proven naughty. How stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. This one we have a little bit more of a whimsical feel. A little painterly here. That's a sweet cat. Some definite cute small scenes that you can kind of put together. Here we have a little bit larger. So those are going to go together for sure. But these are just scaled up a little bit. I love the sweet treats. Very cute. Two of each one. Now these are clear. This is on clear sticker paper. This is like our formal ornaments. Love those. Obsessed. This is very traditional look. I'm here for that. The roses. So pretty. Oh my goodness. This is like the elegant Christmas. She had some like super chic girls in with her fall release. And I loved it. Those are beautiful. Look at the houses. Oh my goodness. The scenes that you could create in your planner. There's 3 different sizes, 2 sheets of those. And then we have some more mixed in. That is the Gilmore Girls house. Like, you are not going to convince me otherwise. That is adorable. It's this neat mix between very realistic looking pieces and then some that are obviously illustrated. The truck is super cute too. Oh my goodness. Yes, please. This is like the wrapping party. Christmas movies and chill. That's what I do when I wrap. Is that what you guys do? I watch Love Actually every year while I sit and wrap Christmas presents. It's like my jam. Christmas movies and chill. Love the little bows in the corner. People chilling in their PJs. Christmas calories don't count. I love how we have cereal up here. Like Christmas cereal. That's cute. Look at the waffle or the pancake. All done up. What a fun idea. Christmas squad. These are all going to go together really nicely. Love that. And another page of that as well. So cute. All right. All right. Oh, I love the navy blue mixed in. This is a mix. So you have your rosé, your slippers, but she's dressed all formal. Some different presents. Those are fun colors combinations. Yeah, it's like a mix between PJs and formal. That's funny. I love that. Look at the tree. So cute. Oh, the sweet kiddo decorating the tree. I love the look of glitter, nutcracker, fa la la. That's sweet. Look at those Christmas cards. Those are fancy. Fancy. Christmas cards are my favorite part of the Christmas season. I love Christmas cards. I love sending them and I love receiving them. Beautiful. Have a nativity scene. I love the blue mixed in. Here's the three wise men, the angel, silent night, holy night. Oh, that's very pretty. The buildings there and Mary. So pretty. I love it. All right, we're back to paper stickers in kind of a more traditional look. Our stockings, our piece. Oh, that's so sweet. Piece with the feathers. Oh, I love the stamp. That's super cute. These are so pretty. I love, what is it about new stickers? It's so exciting. I am ready. I'm ready to play with them. I run on coffee and Christmas cheer. It's so true. Snow is falling, wine is calling. Yes, believe in the magic, Santa's favorites. You have, this is on white and then this is on clear, which is stellar. I like that she did both. You have Jesus is the reason for the season, Santa's favorite, Oh Holy Night. Those are very cool. Back to white sticker paper. Cute. And then clear sticker paper. Those are fun. I'm excited. I'm excited. I think I love the blue for the nativity look. I think I liked the Dear Santa ones. Oh, I forgot. Nope, those. I love the houses. Love the houses. And then the Dear Santa set was super cute as well. Those are adorable. All right, that is Chic Christmas. Now, let's check out Hello Winter, which is extra big. So this is going to like take you all the way December through all of the winter, however long winter ends up lasting in your neck of the woods. So winter bucket list. Oh, I love that she included this. I loved it in the fall one. We have our little check marks here. PJ Day, build a snowman, bake cookies, write a letter, wrap gifts, new playlist, decorate, treat yourself, game night, ice skating, new hobby, hot chocolate. Those are fabulous. The little washi tape strips. Very zen. Oh, and then you have some bigger ones. This is white sticker paper and then clear sticker paper. Love the options. Here we have our ice skating attire. How cute are those girls? I wish I looked that cute. I look like a hot mess when I ice skate generally because usually I'm falling down all the time. They are sweet. That's on white sticker paper. And then you have these gorgeous florals that definitely like go with the color scheme. Very pretty. Snow day with the pink. Look at the little deer. That's cute. And the marshmallows and the hot chocolate. Those are fun. I like that color. I like the light pink mixed in with the boots. Yes, ski lodge. That's fun. Christmas oranges. So sweet with the dried and the cinnamon sticks. That's kind of an unusual combination. Mixing those two colors with the pink getting in there. I think that's fun. Oh my goodness. This sticker is everything. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love, love, love it. Gorgeous florals that have like a little bit of snow on them is what it looks like. Like iced florals. That's beautiful. Oh, look at the animals. This is on clear, but what I like about it is that it is open in the middle. So you still can write easily in the middle. I've seen some clear stickers like this, but you can't write on that slick paper, but these will be open in the middle, which is perfect. How stinking cute are those animals? Ooh. This definitely gives you the icy feels with the blue. Hello, winter. I love the ski lodge feel. I've never done a ski lodge at winter. Is it lovely? You'll have to let me know if you've done it and if you highly recommend it. I feel like it would be wonderful. Fire in the fireplace, all of that. Beautiful greens. Those are nice. Let's see what she mixes that with. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, all the florals are on clear, but then look at this on white sticker paper. Look at the scenes of a home. Those are beautiful with all the greenery. That one was on white, this one is on clear. And then we have white sticker paper again, more of the home decor feel with lots and lots of greenery, but like winter greenery, the candles. It's different for sure. And then we have some ladies living their best lives, always with the mug in the book. I love it. And then on clear. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's clear sticker paper. Gorgeousness. Clear sticker paper. I feel like those are meant to be on clear sticker paper with that background. Oh, that's beautiful. More on clear sticker paper. Wow. Those are breathtaking scenes. Love it. Okay, now we got our cozy crafty gals. Super cute with the washi tape. Our planner girls getting their planning on during the winter. Look at that cute. Adorable. Love it. Fun colors too. I like the pops of black in there. We have Hanukkah. Love. It's so awesome to see Hanukkah stickers mixed in, and then on clear. Yes, 2024. Look at those ladies. They're living their best lives beginning in 2024. Look at the balloons. I want those balloons to celebrate. And then on clear, elegant party. That's beautiful. Yeah, walking into the new year with confidence like that, I'm here for it. Here for it. Oh, I love it. Now we have some quotes. Shake your flakes, winter, let it snow, baby, it's cold outside, on clear. And then some functional boxes, which is always appreciated. Love the functional boxes. Love it. All of the bullet points. The bullet points are the first things that I end up using up. What about you guys? Is it a certain size box? Then we go into the greens. For me, it's always the bullet points. She fit in as many as she possibly could, it feels like. Yeah, the greens are pretty too. And then we have the pinks, kind of the rust color. This one looks like a little bit of a different, it's bold right there. I wonder if that was the case on the other ones. No, just this one ended up being a little bit bold. I love it. I love it. It's given me all the cozy winter feels. Like I said, that is a really thick sticker book. You're going to be able to use this all winter long. Like one book to take you through the whole winter. I absolutely love it. I'm excited to dig into these sticker books and start creating spreads. I cannot believe that Christmas is like around the corner and winter is here and 2024 is coming. It's all going so fast. But before all of that hits, make sure to pick up this sticker book. Again, it releases, both of these books release on October the 28th, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Set your alarm, bookmark the link. Don't forget the code SCRAPPY10. That will save you 10% on your order. And that would be awesome because if you're like me, you're probably picking up both of these books because I can't wait. I can't wait. I love them. She does a fabulous job. Love Jessica's style and how she puts together these books. She's doing a great job over at Live Love Posh, and I can't wait to play with these stickers. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Let me know which book was your favorite and which set of stickers in the book was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you down in the comments below. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. I am so looking forward to November in Patreon, December in Patreon, and then a fabulous 2024. It's never too late to join us. Head on over, use the link down in the description box below and start your free trial today. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.